You are going to love the 2022 Transit 350. The Transit 350 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.